Kia ora everybody, my name is Michael Lovegrove and I'm the CEO of JRNY, and I'm here with the amazing Larissa Vaughan, who's the CEO of Kiwi Insurance. So Larissa, thanks so much for coming in today to talk about customer outcomes and insurtech and how we can better work together to make sure that we deliver the best possible customer outcome. So I have a few questions for you, and I'm sure everybody is super keen to hear what you have to say about these particular topics. So firstly, how much impact do you think new regulation will have on the insurance industry?
I think the new conduct and culture regulation will have a big impact on the industry. Of course, the industry has already done a huge amount of work through the conduct and culture reviews from the regulators and the programs the industry's been working very hard on. So it's really cementing all of that work and really refining and embedding that focus on good customer outcomes.
Yeah, so that point's super interesting to me, and I think where ultimately that comes to is making sure that we're actually getting or serving the right policy up to the right person. And so would you say that, or should I say, where do you think we can improve the customer experience so that we can achieve that outcome? And do you think there's any form of technology that can help do that?
Briefly answer the second question first. Absolutely, tech can help do that, and I'll return to that. But yes, I do think helping customers get the right protection for them is really critical in terms of good customer outcomes and a good experience. I think sometimes there's some challenge in that as well, because traditional processes can take quite a while, so it can be potentially a long process for a customer to go through to work out what is the best policy for them. And I think where technology comes in is just really finding that sweet spot of making sure we ask the right questions and have the right information to help them find the best policy for them, but still making it a good experience.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's been one of the things that we've found is that you really want to make sure that customer has the right information, which is often the hard part, is how do you present that in a really digestible way. Where do you think there is value in working with insurtechs?
I think at most points in the journey there is a value in working with insurtechs. I'm still relatively new to the industry, and I've found the industry is full of people with really deep experience and expertise, which is great, but it's actually really good we can't be experts in everything.
Yeah.
And we also sometimes need to kind of look beyond our own doors, and I think that's where tech can come in and help us find new ways of, solving old problems.
Perfect. I think, as you said, collaboration is key. And actually that leads more nicely into the second question is, in your experience, how do you see insurers and insurtechs being able to collaborate?
Look, I think what we've found is it starts almost when you're identifying what your problem is and also who you select with your provider. And if you're really aligned on your values, and particularly that customer focus, that's a really great starting point. And then obviously can that provider help you meet whatever you've identified as your problem, which is a process in itself. And then I think having a really deep understanding of what other parties bringing to the table and the environment in which they're operating, particularly larger, maybe more established traditional insurance businesses, while they might appear to have lots of resources, they also operate within constraints, obviously, and are juggling quite a few priorities. So just as they need to understand what the tech company is bringing to the table, I think the tech company needs to understand that environment really well so they can operate effectively within it.
Yeah, I really love that answer. I hope everyone got that written down if you're watching this, because that alignment is absolutely key to a partnership, and is what we believe here at JRNY as well. So thanks a bunch, Larissa, for coming in and sharing your views on this today. For those of you watching, be sure to keep an eye out for an awesome meetup that we're hosting in unison with Deloitte later this year. We'll post it in various channels, and we'll see you there.
See you there.